Have you been shopping around for a quality sound product at a decent price point? Possibly something that allows you some mobility, be able to move around a little bit. Today we're going to be unboxing the Rode Wireless Go microphone system right after this amazing intro. What's going on, everyone? My name is Robert, and this is my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the tech reviews and unboxings to help give you an easy choice. So I will let you know that this is not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. I did not receive this product for free or for services. It is a purchase that I made on my own in hopes to find better sound. So I will let you know that this is not a sponsored video. I'm not being paid for this. I did have to purchase this with my own money. I did this in hopes to get better sound. If you're a content creator, you know the struggles of finding really good sound at a decent price. Now, that being said, in no way are these cheap at around $200. However, for what you get, they are an exceptional value, provided they work as good as advertised or as good as other people are saying that they are. If they are as good as everybody says they are, they will be worth the money and at a cheaper price point than any other system that is comparable to this wireless system. Okay. You know you're supposed to be making shorter videos, right? Yeah, why? Because you're rambling on again. Fine, get on with the unboxing then. Okay, let's dive in. I'm extremely excited for this. I hope it works good. I've spent a lot of time, and it's been a long road trying to get a better handle on sound, and I think this will go a long way to help. They've got this packaged up pretty good. It has the outside package, which is taped, and then it's sealed here. We've got a quick start guide right from the get. Actually, it's pretty nice. And here's your microphone. Let's see what we got here. So, looks like those slide out like that. There's one. There's the other. This one's the transmitter, this one's the receive. We've got a couple cables in here. We've got a USB-C to USB-A. Let's see if you guys can see that here. And then this one is another USB-C. Looks like there's one for each of the sets here. We've got an SC2 cable. This is to plug the receiver into your camera. Looks like we've got two wind muffs or windshields. So these windshields are said to be upgraded from the first version to hold better. So we shall see. Let's see here. They've got 2 clips here. Let's see if you can see this, because you know, all the videos I've seen, they don't really show you this. So let me see. There, if you look here, you can see the 2 clips there and the 2 clips there, and they just pop together like that, and it actually feels like it stays on pretty well. So you know, I could see yeah, it feels like they're rubber. Yeah. But they hold on pretty well, it looks like. So pretty impressed with that, actually. We've got a safety guide and regulatory. You know, that's normal for almost all electronics. And a nice little pouch for this to go in. So that actually is pretty nice. You can keep it in your bag and go from there. There you go, guys. That's pretty much all that's in the box. There you go, guys. There's the unboxing. There's not much to it. A couple of cables. We got the transmitter and the receiver, and pretty simple. We've got the microphone built in here, which I like. These are said to pair very quickly, and we'll go ahead and test it out. Let's go ahead and just press the power button on both of those. And there you go. And it looks like it's already synced up. Wow. And you can see the meter there. Great. So what we can do is we'll go ahead and connect it up to the camera and see what it sounds. Right now we've got the Movo smartphone rig microphone connected to my A6400, and this is an audio test. Okay. Now I have the Rode Wireless Go connected to my A6400, and this is a test. This is an audio test. Now I will let you know that it actually was a little bit difficult to get on the hot shoe of the camera because of the rubber around the eye. I did get it on. It's snug, so it won't come off, but it didn't go all the way in because of the limitation of the size. So something to think about. I think something that doesn't have the viewfinder blocking it won't have that same problem. That's just something that I encountered, so you may not have the same issue. Not a big issue, something we'll work through, and doesn't bother me at all. As long as it sounds good, then we can keep using this. So you guys let me know. What do you think it sounds like? Do you prefer this? Do you prefer the Movo smartphone rig? Which one sounds better to you? Now, keep in mind, I haven't done any configuration whatsoever. I haven't messed with the dBs. We'll have to play around with that to get the sound adjusted to where we really like it. However, this is the sound right out of the box. So that concludes our unboxing. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Click the bell so you can get notification of my future videos. If you want to check us out on any of the social medias, you can go to easychoicereviews.com, and we have links to all our social media. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.